We're starting off with slide number 8, and you want to be at the lowest power, because this is the one that goes a full section through the lip. Out here, you have typical skin, hair follicles, sebaceous glands. That tells you that you're on the outside of the lip. If you come across, you go through dermis, you go through some muscle, you're now in submucosa, lamina propria, and oral epithelium. Okay?
What was the green part?
I try and go around here. This is the other part of the lip. Again, we have skin. We go up. We go around. This is just pieces of lamina propria sticking up. This is the top surface of the lip now. So you're beginning to get the oral epithelium. Then when you get around here, it's absolutely typical oral epithelium. If I go up on higher power, this is the basement membrane running around here. This is the epithelium. And if I go right out to the edge of the epithelium, you can tell that the cells still retain nuclei. So this is non-keratinized, stratified squamous epithelium. This surface would be wet, sees very little force, and so there's very little reason for keratinization. When I go this way, now we have lamina propria, which merges in with the submucosa, because in this part of the GI tract there is no muscularis mucosa. But then if I keep going back over to this side, we have normal skin, where you have a highly keratinized stratified squamous epithelium. A lot of it is broken off, and this is technically called dermis now. You have sebaceous glands and hair follicles, so you should be able to tell the difference between skin and normal oral epithelium. So that's slide number 8. Oh, sorry, I was supposed to sort of point out lots of glands. This material, some glandular material, you'll see it better in a lot of the other sections. Okay, slide 41. Again, start off on low power.
Slides.
Okay. So this is the tongue. Up here you have these rows of filiform papillae. This is what the hook of one papilla, this is the hook of another, this is the hook of another, this is the hook of another, and so we go on. So this is the epithelium, which basically goes from here down to here. This is where the basement membrane would be. This is the lamina propria merging into the submucosa, and here you see all these different directions of skeletal muscle that determine what we speak.